Alright, so my name is Bailey. Started with a 5-ton military command center, and it is now a just beast of an overland vehicle. The cab was picked up, thrown away from the original 5-ton. It's a completely rebuilt cab, stretched back. The box of the truck was actually picked up off the frame, moved back, and now you can walk from the cab into the box. And the whole thing is painted in a rhino line, so that way when you're going to your favorite campsite, you can worry less about all the trees that you're going to hit, because in this thing you're not dodging any trees. Light Force was kind enough to give me the lights, and I mean, they just kind of make the truck pop. You know, it looks so good.
It's awesome.
Yeah, I mean, you can go on inside right here. Excuse my mess from everything, but you could hop up in there and take a look in there. So that's the completely redone cab.
Wow.
This was the factory fuel tank. Added another one, so now it holds 130 gallons. Get about
That's all?
Get about 10 miles to the gallon, so it lasts a while. But when it's time to fill up, you know, it's a sad day. You definitely feel that one. All right, so right now the back is just an empty box, but eventually, and I'm planning on being done by the end of summer, is to kind of do like a twist on an earth roamer. They're kind of what inspired this, but I want like the luxurious inside of like a nice RV, but with a rugged twist that just, you go, wow, that thing's going anywhere.